We're here in the center of Zurich, Switzerland, so let's go and explore this city together. So we're entering the old town. I love the old towns in the different cities. Just love the architecture that they have to offer.
This section here is so nice with all the Swiss flags in the wall. People are wining and dining. It's such nice weather today in Zurich. Such a good vibe. You can hear the churches ringing in the background. How cool is that? The mix of flowers and greenery make the city look so nice.
There are a lot of little alleys around the old town, and some of the buildings are amazing. Just love the architecture here, and it's just great exploring, seeing something different.
Lots of people just relaxing near the river. It's so peaceful along this strip here. You can still hear the old churches chiming in the background. They have plenty of cafes where you can sit and enjoy the view.
So we're just on the other side of the river.
This old section of Zurich has so much character, such an amazing city. The river is so clean, you got white swans swimming in the river, churches chiming, it's amazing. You got a group of guys just standing together singing. The Zurich city is full of life today. I'm unsure what they're saying because I don't speak German, but it does sound really cool. A group of white swans just chilling in the water, enjoying the beautiful weather. In the distance you got a lot of paddle boats you can hire. You got people just driving boats on the river. I reckon that we'll hire a paddle boat tomorrow. That'll be a great experience, just riding on the river for a little bit. How amazing is that? In the background you got the Swiss Alps with snow, and in the city it's warm, people swimming and on boats. Such a relaxed vibe here in Zurich. Everything feels like it's just going real slow. In Europe, I noticed a lot of people ride bikes around the cities. You got a guy just under the bridge fishing. So that white building in the background is the Opera House in Zurich.
So we've just stopped at a restaurant here in the city street. We're going to get some pizzas and some drinks. Pretty busy around here. What are you getting, Ari?
Pizza.
Nice. Do you like Zurich?
Yeah.
What do you like about Zurich?
Everything.
That's cheesy, isn't it, Ari?
Yeah.
Nice. So we've had our food, we're all full, we had our drinks, and we're ready to go and explore some more. It's getting busy around here now. The sun's going down, it's a bit cooler, so it's just perfect to explore the city.
I don't think I've seen a more beautiful city in my life. It's amazing here in Zurich. I'm loving it.
So many nice cars here in Zurich.
The public transport system here in Zurich is fantastic. You can get anywhere and it's really quick. They're coming quite often.